Feeling heavy after meals? Let's do a gentle 5-minute yoga practice to improve digestion naturally. Perfect after having lunch or dinner. Hi, I am Tushar and welcome back to the Seeker's Mat. Today I will guide you through a short seated sequence with Vajrasana to ease bloating and support healthy digestion. Sit in Vajrasana with your hands on your thighs. Keep your spine straight and take deep abdominal breath. With each inhale, expand your abdomen, and with each exhale, relax your body. You can close your eyes if you want. Stay in this pose for almost a minute. Start making gentle circular movements with your torso. This massages abdominal organs and activates your digestion. First, do 5 such rounds clockwise like this. 1. Maintain the rhythm with your breath. 2, 3, 4, 5, and then 5 in the other direction. 5, 4. You can close your eyes for deeper experience. And once you are done, you can just simply open your eyes. Now the next we are going to do is deep belly breathing. For that, place one hand on your stomach and the other hand on your chest. Inhale from your belly, rib cage, chest. Exhale from your chest, rib cage and belly. You can close your eyes and you can feel your hands lifting up and going down as you inhale and exhale. Just remember, inhale from your stomach, rib cage, and then chest, and when you exhale, exhale from your chest, rib cage, and then stomach. I'm going to do 2 more rounds. Inhale, exhale. Again, inhale, exhale, release. Now gently open your eyes. Now let's end with a Bhramari hum. Inhale deeply and exhale with a humming sound. again, inhale. Last time, inhale again. Open your eyes gently. This is going to vibrate the abdominal part, and it also produces the calm. Try this short yoga sessions daily after your meals and observe how your digestion improves naturally. Like, share and subscribe for more yoga wisdom on the Seeker's Mat.